Are you looking for an evidence-based strategy that supports students' on-task behavior as well as organization? Let's check out visual schedules.
Teaching routines. Why could visual schedules be an effective strategy for students? Well, it helps support students' planning, organization, and work completion. As a trauma-informed practice, it helps reduce anxiety and trauma responses for unexpected changes occurring in the classroom. It also improves productivity and increases on-task behavior. There are several ways to use visual schedules. Training your staff on the use of them as routines is necessary. You want to remind your staff to embed it within the structure of their lesson plan, that they review the schedule at the beginning of each day, at the beginning of each class, and hopefully tie the end of the class period with a preparation for the child's next transition. Here is an example how a daily schedule can be placed on a whiteboard. In the morning, the students should have allotted time to copy the schedule as it applies to them. For some students, adaptations may need to occur, such as providing a copy of their daily schedule or allowing students to capture it via photo in alignment with school policies and procedures. Not only do visual schedules support and reinforce student on-task behavior, but individual classroom schedules. Review the class schedule as an opening each day along with the learning objectives to make it clear to students what your expectations are for your time together. Individualized schedules could be as simple as a post-it note on the student's desk. Give them a chance to color it, strike it out, or highlight it as the class is completed. This supports the student's intrinsic motivation to practice organizational strategies. Some students will respond well to a picture or graphic of the schedule or assignment schedules. This can be electronic as well. They can drag the task to the completed section of the document. This simple procedure positively reinforces their task completion and is a visual representation of their achievement. This could require more teacher support initially and could potentially prepare students for a written schedule in the future. This trauma-informed strategy can be embedded into your MTSS framework for positive behavior support. If all staff are encouraged to implement this, it is a Tier 1 strategy. If you choose to support students individually, this can be considered a Tier 2 or Tier 3 strategy depending on the time and intensity involved. Implementation: get students involved, keep it simple, align it to the student's individual needs, and get regular feedback from students as they use the strategy.
As you work together collaborating with students and other teachers to be creative in visual schedule options, know this process will require some trial and error to determine what works best. Collecting data related to engagement, academic progress, and work completion will inform you about the success of this strategy's implementation.
Don't forget to add some fun. If the students complete their schedules or their work, can they crumple the paper and shoot it in the trash can at the end of the class or day?
Adding this strategy into your classroom reinforces organization, planning, and task completion, which are executive functioning skills. By building these skills, students become more responsible and independent. Don't forget to check out the resources listed below this video for more information. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to the PaTTAN YouTube channel. Remember, practice makes progress.